Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 21, months of the year revision. So now let's learn about our topic. Months of the year. So, there are 12 months in the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So, in the year 12 months, and in these 12 months different types of festival we celebrate. So, month of the year, 30 days have a September, April, June, and November, and all the rest have 31 except for a February alone, which has 28 days clear and 29 in a leap year. So, a month of the year, 30 days have a September, April, June, and November, and all the rest have 31 except for a February alone which has 28 days clear and 29 in the leap year. So children's, in a month, uh, we can see the in a year 12 month. So it's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And in these month we celebrate different types of festivals and different types of things. So now let's learn a next slide. Write the 12 month of the year. So it's a January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Then B. Recognize and write the short form of each month. So the short form is each month is Jan, Feb, March, May, June, July, August, September, November, and December. So tell the significant occasion of each month. So we can celebrate as a kite flying day in a January. Then we celebrate Independence Day in August. Then we celebrate a Christmas in a December. So it's a occasion of each month, and here also we can find a occasion that we find June is a in a we all going to school, and then so reading the name of the month. So here we can see January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So there are the reading the names of the months. And what do you see in the calendar? Here we can see, what do you see? What do you see in calendar? Yes, here we can see 12 months. And how many months of the year? So there are 12 months in the year. And what occasion do we celebrate in January, February, etc.? So we celebrate January in kite flying day. Then February we celebrate Valentine's Day. So these occasion we celebrate in January and February. Then next, how do we write the short form of the months of the days? So here we can see a short form of the months of the day. Then Jan, Feb, Mar, Ap, May, June, Jul, Og, Sept, Oct, Now, and Dis. So these are the short name or short form of the month of the days. So children, you all are understand that we have 12 months in a year. Okay, now next, the month of the year are also a noun. So they begin with a capital letters, and there are 12 months in one or in a year. So the months of the year are also noun, and they begin with a capital letters, and there are 12 months in a year. So children, you all are understand that the months of the year are also noun, and it's begin with capital letters. Then now we are going to learn a detail about all months. Number first, January. 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 So January is bring the snow. Here we can see January is the month of winter and brings the snow, and see the snowman in the row. So January is the cold month, and January brings the snow, and we see here a snowman in a row. So January is a cold month. Then February. So February days are longer and nights are cold, and winds are strong. So in a February days are long and nights are cold, and then winds are strong. So in a February we find a wind are strong, winds are strong, and February in days are longer and nights are cold, and winds also are very strong. So February is also a cold month and a windy month, and also nights days are longer and nights are cold in a February. Okay, children, you all are understand about February. So now we are going to learn our next slide, and it's a March. So here we can see a March brings a breeze loud that shake, and the little flowers to make them wake. So the March bring breeze loud that shake, and the little flowers to make them wake. So March is also a bring breeze loud and the that shake the little flowers to make them wake. So now next April. So April brings both sun and rain. So in April, April months bring both sun and rain to make the whole world green again. So April is also a sunny days and rainy days. Both are brings and to make the whole world green again. So in April we see greenery everywhere. Then next May. May, May. So May brings songs of birds and bees. So here we can see birds and bees uh, bring songs and joy for you and joy for me. So May is brings a song of birds and bee and joy for you and joy for me. So May month is a very pleasant month, and birds are singing, and also bees are also singing, and it's a cool and also a very pleasant month. So May is a pleasant month. Then next June. So June, June, June. June brings buttercups and roses. See her hands and all filled with a posy. So June month brings a buttercup and roses. See her hands all filled with a posy. So June month is a very pleasant month and also a blooming month. So we see here everywhere blooming flowers. So June is a very blooming month. Then next July. July, July. So hot July brings a cooling snow airs and for a thirsty fields and trees and flowers. So in a July we see a cooling showers and for a thirsty fields and trees and flowers. So hot July brings a cooling shower. Here also we can see a field and trees and for flowers, field, trees and flowers. Then next August. So August, August, August. So August days are full of heat. Then fruits grow ripe for us to eat. So August month or August days are full of heat, and it's a summer time, and then fruits grow ripe for us to eat, and so many fruits are grow and reap for us to eat. So in August we find hot days or full of heat, and fruits grow ripe for us to eat. So children, you all are understand that August month are a very full of heat month. Then next September. 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 So September brings the golden rod and milkweed flying from its pod. So September brings a golden rod. So it's a blooming time and milkweed and flying from its pod. So it's a we find September brings the golden rod and milkweed flying from its pod. Then next October. So October, October. October. October nuts are brown and yellow leaves fall slowly down. So October is also a autumn. We see in October is autumn time, and all the leaves are falling down slowly, and it's a autumn time, and nuts are brown, and also leaves are yellow and fall down. October is a autumn season time. So now next, November, November, November. So November brings the chilly rain, whirling winds, and frost again. So November month brings a chilly rain, whirling winds, and frost again. So November is also we celebrate Diwali and so many festivals. So now next, December. So December is cold December, ends the year with a Christmas tree and the Christmas cheer. So December, December, December month is a cold month, and we celebrate Christmas in a December, and the December is a last month of the year, and also a cold day. It's a December, it's a cold day and cold month. So children, in today's lecture we learn about different types of months, and also learn about different types of months and how many days in a month. So we see that we see here that 30 days have a September. So September, April, June, November. September, April, June, and November has a 30 days. Then any rest have 31, except for February along, which has 28 days. So September, April, June, and November have 31 days. Then April, then June, then August, September. So these all have 30 days, and February have 28 days clear and 29 days in a leap year. So children, you all are understand that how many days in a month, and how many months in a year. So you also find out in a calendar that which is your birth month, and also tick mark there, and we here see that we write the short form of the months, that Jan, Feb, March, Ap, May, June, Jul, Aug, Sept, Oct, Now, and Dis. So these are the short form of the month of the days. So children, in today's lecture we learn about different types of months and month of the year. So month of the year are also a noun, and they begin with capital letters. Here we also see that they begin with capital letters. January. So here we can see capital letters. Then February. So here also we see F is capital. Then March. So March M is capital. So it's a begin with capital letter. Then April. So April A is capital also. Then May also capital. And May brings songs of birds and bee and joy for you and joy for me. Then June, so June also J capital, start with the capital letters. July also J is capital, start with the capital letters. Then August A also capital with the start with the capital. September S capital. Then October, so October O is capital. Then November, so N is capital. Then December, so D is capital. So December is end of the year. December month is the end of the year month. So now it's December. So this month is the end of the year, and we in this month we celebrate Christmas. So remember this 7 days is equal to 1 week. So 7 days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So these 7 days is equal to 1 week. Then 4 week is equal to 1 month. So in a month, 4 week, 7 days is equal to 1 week, and 4 week is equal to 1 month. So in a month, we have 4 weeks. So 28, 29, 30 or 31 days is equal to 1 month. In a month, we have 28, 29, 30 or 31 days. In a month, we have 28, 29, 30 or 31 days. And 1 year is equal to 12 months. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are 12 months, and 12 months means 1 year. So this is a 2020 year 2020, and in a 2020 we have a 12 month: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay children, you all are understand? Very good. So now next, 1 year is equal to 4 seasons. So in a year, 4 seasons. So in a year, we have a 4 seasons. So which types of season we have? Yes, so we have winter, we have summer, we have spring and we have rainy. So in a 1 year we have 4 seasons. Winter is a cold day, and we wear a sweater. Then summer, so summer is a hot season, and we eat ice cream, and also we are going to uh, uh, learn, and then we eat ice cream, and then also spring. So spring is a very pleasant month. Then rainy, so rainy is a monsoon time, and we wear a raincoat and also a umbrellas. So in a year, four season, and these are in a 12 months. So children, you all are understand? Very good. So you all enjoy? Very good. So students, now we are going to learn some exercise. Number one, how many days are in the week? So how many days are in the week? Yes, 7. So 7 days are in the week. So children, you all are right with me. Now number 2, how many months are in the year? So how many months? Yes, 12. So 12 months are in the year. Okay, now number 3, what day is it is today? So what day is it is today? Yes, today is Friday. Very good. So what day it is tomorrow? So tomorrow Saturday. Yes, today is Friday. So tomorrow is Saturday. Then number 5. So what day was it yesterday? So yesterday, yes, it's a Thursday. So yesterday is Thursday. And number 6. What month is it now? Yes, what month is it now? Yes, it's a December month. And what month it is next? So yes, it's a January, because of it's a start of the new year. Then number 8, what day comes after Saturday? Saturday, then Sunday. Yes, it's a Sunday. So children, you all enjoy? Very good. Hope you all learn and enjoy this video. So students, I will see you next time. And also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe. Thank you students.